This is my part 2 review of the Samsung refrigerator RF263 TEA ESR. On the 1-year anniversary of owning this refrigerator, I made a review video and I gave it pretty high marks. Well, as luck would have it, 2 months after making that video, the fridge completely died. No cooling, no lights, no power. Luckily, we have Loews extended service plan and we were able to call for service. Since this happened on a Saturday morning, the appliance service company that Loews uses didn't arrive until Monday morning. The repairman looked at the fridge for about 5 minutes and said that the circuit board needed replacing. He said that he needed to order the parts and will be back soon. 3 days later, a technician returned with a new circuit board and did the replacement, but this was after I had to call Loews and complain. I wasn't happy with the service company that Loews hired, but that's another story. In the end, we were without a fridge for 6 days total, and it sucked. Of course, we tried to save what we could, but mostly we had to throw away a lot of spoiled food. This is the second Samsung appliance that had crapped out on us. The first one that died on us was a microwave oven that I reviewed earlier on my channel. That microwave oven lasted about 2 years before I just had to throw it away. I don't know if it's a case of bad luck or bad product, but you can be sure that this household will never buy a Samsung brand appliance again. I'm going to update the rating of this refrigerator to 1 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching my review.